welcome back. I just received this in the mail today. I had ordered it yesterday on Amazon and it arrived this afternoon. And what it is a Neewer phone mount, but this one's all made out of aluminum, where the one that I'm using right now that's holding my phone is a cheap plastic one that I got in a little kit I had gotten a couple years ago, but it's not very good. Now I already actually had this one open. I opened it because on the side here it says Rotatable Phone Clamp for DJI RS2 and 3 series. So I kind of thought I had ordered the wrong thing, so I had to open it right away just to see. But I opened it up and tested it, and seems to work really well, and it's really good build quality. So anyway, I'll pop it out of the box here. This won't be a long video. It's only a phone holder. Yeah, but that's it there. And it's all, like I said, it's all aluminum. This part here spins all the way around. Sorry, I try to stay in the frame here. Spins all the way around. And you got this knuckle here where it'll bend. It'll go almost 90 in that direction. And all the way over in that direction. I haven't really played with this much, so it almost looks like this part. Sorry, I'm trying to stay in the frame here. It's hard when the phone's above you. So I'm not sure if that part comes off or not. Looks like it does. Oh yeah, okay, something. Oh, there we go. Slide on threads. Oh, there we go. That part slides out. And this has got some sort of locking mechanism on it. Oh, okay, so if you on, there, maybe I stand up. So you move that, you unscrew it, it loosens this part here. Screw it back in, you can see it tightening and clamping down. Yeah, that makes sense. And so far, a really nice build quality, again from Neewer. It's got rubber padding here, and then rubber padding on the two sides that expand. 2 metal bars. It's got a good spring in there too, it's strong. Oh, and one thing I noticed when I tried it out with my phone earlier was you can see on the rubber, these rubber pads here and the one at the top up here, there's like a little groove in it. And what I noticed when I had my phone in it, when you slide your phone forwards and backwards, the buttons on the side of your phone actually fit into those little notches or those grooves, and the buttons won't be depressed as you're sliding it back and forth. Where the clamp I'm using now, it's kind of flat, so if you don't put the clamp in the right spot, or you go to move it back and forth, it'll actually press the buttons and either, shut your phone off or cause it to do something that you don't want it to do. So I thought that was a really cool feature put into that. God, I got a mosquito in here. I gotta try to. Yeah, really nice. Like I said, all aluminum. It's got some nice weight to it. Shiny, glossy, black finish. Slide that back in and screw that down. And that's locked in place again. I think there's only one other thing in the box. I think it was just, was there an instruction manual in there? Yeah, there is. Actually, I don't think it's instructions. Yeah, it's just, yeah, it's not instructions. Not that you would need them anyway. Pretty straightforward. But again, just a close-up look at it. Really nice. It's so much better than the one I'm using right now. Like I said, the 2 steel bars with a strong spring in it. So if you're interested in the new phone clamp or you're looking for one, that might be one you consider. Show you the box. Some QR codes. And once again, Neewer. So far, this is now my 3rd product from Neewer. My first one would have been the stand I'm using right now, the ST200. And then I got 2 super clamps, which I haven't opened yet, because I want to get this out of the box first and play around with this and set it up and use that instead of the clamp I'm using now, to have a look at those 2 super clamps. But if the stand is built the way it is, and this phone mount is built the way it is, I can only assume that the super clamps are going to be the same quality as this Neewer phone clamp. Oh, actually, I never even really noticed. I'm just noticing now. It's got these slots in the top where you can slide in, I don't know, I guess you can put a light on the side if you wanted to. Maybe a light. And maybe a microphone down here while your phone's in there. I'm assuming that's what that's for. Like I said in one of my other videos, a lot of this recording stuff and YouTube stuff is all new to me, so I'm not familiar with all this, you know, recording and camera rig setups, and so I'm still learning. I think my videos will be pretty rough for a while until I get used to things and talking to a camera, which is very awkward, to say the least. Just in here in the shed talking to myself is kind of strange. So, I guess that's it. So there's the Neewer Rotatable Bendable Phone Clamp. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ring the bell. All that good stuff. And we'll see you on the next one with the probably the super clamps. There you go. Later.